Video 883, BFJ 183, source code is here. Let's fucking go. So down here, I made a mistake right here because I'm a dyslexic motherfucker. Let's move on. Okay, key fam functions right here. We have some monkey wrench macros for misspellings of this function right here. So this function is going to take a tile size exponent and global tile x and y and put something into the tile map. What are we going to put? Well, that depends on the game state configuration. So here's our inputs in the same exact order as right here. And here's our game state object. Here is tile size exponent in GTX and GTY with the input marker stripped off from it. If the fuck around mode layer is configured to geometry, we're going to throw an error because we don't have anything for this yet. If we're configured for the bomb layer, we're going to throw an error because we don't have anything for that. But if the fuck around mode layer is configured to the FATA layer, we're going to take some code that we moved from another section, and we're going to do that, right? And this is going to be what we need to put down a FATA tile. Bit pack together the damage bits and special effects bits into a V16 value, get a shorthand reference to that, error check it, and then use the bomb off putter to put the FATA tile into the tile map. Down here in the keyboard fuck around mode click or drag section of code that handles mouse inputs, if we scroll down here, we're going to find where we moved that large chunk of code from. So inside of do stuff with global tile coordinate, if Epstein didn't kill himself and GTX GTY is roughly within the correct tile bounds, then down here in this section one behavior for now, this is where we took that large block of code and refactored it, right? We refactored that large block of code into this function right here, and now we're calling this function, right? So function keyboard fuck around mode function put tile size exponent GTX GTY. So we're putting something, but we're only giving it a coordinate. We're not giving it the data to put because we're going to extract that data from the game state object, right? Okay, so that, I believe, is it. So here's what we did previously, and if you want a larger explanation, a longer explanation, go to Ninja Playlist 9. You're on the Fast Code Reviews, Kanji Playlist 9. Tech demos only, source code, ways to get a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder. Like, subscribe, follow.